Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cake rusk right at home, even without an oven. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a pre-baked cake, preferably a pound cake or a simple sponge, completely cooled. We'll also need a heavy-bottomed pan or a cadai, which will act as our makeshift oven. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with our simple, yet satisfying, recipe. Now that our cake is completely cool, it's time to prepare it for toasting. Carefully slice your cake into uniform pieces. Aim for a thickness of about 1/2 inch or roughly 1.5 centimeters. Consistency and thickness is key here, as it ensures that all your rusks toast evenly. Arrange these slices in a single layer on a tray. This preparation sets us up for perfectly crunchy cake rusks, so take your time with this step. Alright, let's get to the main event. Toasting our cake slices without an oven. First, preheat your heavy-bottomed pan or cadai over a very low flame for about 10 minutes. This creates a consistent heat. Now, carefully place your cake slices inside the preheated pan, making sure they don't overlap. Toast them for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel firm. Patience is key for that perfect crunch. Once your cake rusks are perfectly toasted and golden, it's crucial to let them cool down completely. Transfer them to a wire rack immediately after taking them off the heat. This allows air to circulate around them, ensuring they become wonderfully crisp and don't get soggy. Once fully cooled, which might take about 30 minutes, store your delicious homemade cake rusks in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and crunchy for up to 2 weeks. Ready for your next tea time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.